Thank you for stopping by. My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauty. If you haven't been here before, thank you for coming by, and I look forward to seeing you again. If you have, thanks for coming back. Well, first of all, before we even get into the reason for this video, I want to apologize if you hear all of the rain in the background. It's been raining for the last 5 days, okay, so it's kind of on the wet side outside. So, but today's video, we're going to be unboxing the May BoxyCharm. Here we go, right here, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription service where you get 4 to 5 full-size products, which actually gives you a chance to build your collection. And in addition to that, it gives you a chance to really try out the different items, not a sample size where you only get maybe 1 or 2 uses out of it, but you actually get a full-size product so that you can really check it out and see if it's what you like, okay? Now, this subscription service goes for $21 per month, and in the description box below, I have a affiliate code, okay, where you can log on to BoxyCharm and subscribe to it for yourself. Now, because it is an affiliate code, I get a bonus as well as you getting a bonus for signing up that way. So, if you would like, by all means, use that affiliate link below. If not, no harm, no foul. I just want you to be able to try out BoxyCharm, okay? That's my job. I look out for us. Okay, so let's get into the box, all right? Now, of course, BoxyCharm listed on the front. You open it up, and it's full, okay? And then you also have the BoxyCharm social media links listed right here, and as well as the Hello Charmer on the bottom. Okay, so let's get right into it. And the first thing that we come across when we open up the box and dig inside is the monthly description card. And this month's theme is Boxy Bash, okay? And as I said, we get 4 to 5 full-size products. Now, let's see what's in the box, okay? And the first, actually, before I do that, let me just tell you this. We have 2 coupon codes on the bottom to get 20% off of one product. I'm not going to tell you what it is because that product we haven't talked about yet. And it's 15% off of another one. So we'll keep on the lookout for that. I'll let you know what it is when we come across that item. So the first item in the box is an oxymoron, but we're just going to go in. This is called a matte lip gloss. Told you, oxymoron. Okay, however, this is by the company Beauty Creations, and this is a liquid lip gloss. And it says Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. Manufacturer suggested retail price of this product is $10. And your box is almost halfway paid for already. How about that? Okay, the packaging is beautiful. Okay, here it is. There's the color. And let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. I'll show you the color, and then we'll come back in a few minutes and check and see if it really does dry all the way down to a matte formula. So here's a swatch, so you know what it looks like. It is a beautiful color. So let's keep going. And the next product in our box is, it's a makeup brush. This is by the company Aesthetica, and this is the P12 face brush. I apologize for the noise. I'm just taking it out of the wrapper. Oh, it's very nice and soft. Okay, has the name right there. Okay, and it says with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. It's nice and soft. I guess you can use it for, you know, your bronzer, or I guess because it's so soft, you probably could just use it to brush off all of your face powder. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this brush is $27. Guess what? Box is more than paid for already. Okay, and another item. This, okay, not this, these brushes by the company Estetica as well. They also came in a, wow, doubly secure, but 3 brushes in one package. Okay, and then they're each individually wrapped, and it says 3-piece eye trio. This Estetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner brush, that's this one, a brow spoolie, which is that one right there, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. That it definitely is. Look at that. Okay, and it still has another cover over it. This is a convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. Okay, I know I'm frugal, but the manufacturer suggested retail price on this trio is $45. Okay, enough said, just gonna keep moving. Alrighty, and the next product is by Pretty Vulgar. That's the name of the company, y'all. Alright, and it's beautiful packaging with some serious weight to it, I might add. And it has, look at that. It looks like a old school quill on there. Okay. And it has that inkwell design. Okay. And this is, and it shut off. Well, we're talking about the Pretty Vulgar. Okay. And what I did do is I swatched it. This particular product right here, which is the gel eyeliner. And I swatched it, and it's right there. Beautiful, beautiful black coloring. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on that product is $24. Moving right along to the next product, which is by the company Cover FX. Okay, and this one is the blurring primer. Okay, and it says a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Manufacturer suggested retail price of this full-size primer is $38. Now, we've gotten Cover FX products before. I don't want to open it as of yet, because I do have a few other primers that I am currently using. So it is still sealed or whatever. So, okay, we're just going to go ahead and put that cap back on, and we're going to move on to, guess what? Under normal circumstances, that would have been the last product. However, this month, instead of us getting just 4 to 5 products, we actually got 6. And the last product in the box is a sculptor palette by the company Pure. Okay, and it says a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 highlighters, high beam highlighters, and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price on this palette is $30. Okay, so let's go ahead. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. See, there we go. And that's mirror. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch. Running out of spots here, but oh, nice. These are the 2 highlight colors, which are really pretty. How about that? Those are pretty. And then we have the 2, I'm sorry, those 2 colors are called Originator, that's this one right here, and this one is called Trailblazer. Oh my God, this palette smells so good. I'm getting a whiff of something. This palette really smells good. Okay, and then the sculpting shades, I'm going to put them on my hand. Okay, and then this one up here. Okay, they're brown girl friendly. Right there. And this one here is called Inventor, and the one up on the top is called Founder. Okay, so this is very nice. This says on the palette, I'm sorry, on the mirror, they actually have a saying, and I don't want to, you know, blind you really with the mirror and the light, but it actually says you are the sculptor of your own destiny. Yes, we are. So that's everything that's in our BoxyCharm for the month of April 2018. I do encourage you to consider BoxyCharm, okay? Don't forget, we do have a link down below if you so desire to use it. And if not, that's okay too. All I want you to do is subscribe and try it out for yourself and see if you do like it, which I'm sure you will. Because doing some math here right now, with the price of each of the products, we have about $175 worth of products in this month's BoxyCharm. So here we go. This is everything right here that's included this month. Okay, now if you like this video, if you like what you've seen, by all means, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share it, and if whatever comments or questions that you may have, I ask you to go ahead and put them down below, and I promise to get back with you. I appreciate you stopping by, and regardless of the season that you're in, that means regardless of the age group that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,